If you are a PI lawyer, there is a very good chance that the firm down the street is coming after your market share. So this series is ultimately a series that we're doing where we take a look at other law firms in various cities and we help them by giving them an edge and an audit on their SEO. Perfect. That's all for introductions. Let's get right into it. I want to say personal injury lawyer in Brooklyn. All right, we've got the sponsoreds. Fine Laws running ads. Interestingly enough, looks like your aggregators are running ads in New York. Here we go. This is the map pack. These are the lawyers that are winning in Brooklyn right now. So pay attention. If you are a lawyer, and that too, if you are a PI lawyer anywhere near Brooklyn right now, these guys, they are your competition. Okay, they're the ones that you kind of want to take market share from because they're probably getting quite a lot of calls. And I bet if you know them personally, feel free to ask them, and they're probably going to let you know that they are in fact getting calls from people on Google, just calling to query whether or not they handle those cases. So we should probably start by checking out each one of their sites. All right, what are they doing on these websites that are good? Let's take a look at this. Okay. So this is what their main site looks like. Personal injury lawyer in Brooklyn. That's interesting. It is literally their main headline. But for now, let's take a look at Fernando D. Vargas, right? Like the law offices of Fernando D. Vargas rank roughly on the 10th page, whereas their competitors are ranking on the first page. And this is why. This is why they are not ranking number one like their competitors. Let's take a look at their title. Your title, Attorney Fernando D. Vargas, is literally welcome to the law offices of Fernando D. Vargas. That's pathetic. If you want to compete on anything besides the 10th page, you're going to need to change that title to something that is a little more relevant to your niche, specifically something like personal injury lawyer in select city here. This is your homepage, so you could probably have something a little bit different. You could probably even create a specific page for San Bernardino, and that's how, or even Brooklyn, and if you practice in Brooklyn, and that's how you're going to end up ranking higher for this specific page. Now, I really like that you've got your YouTube video right in the front here, this VSL, super fantastic, but I would also like to see, let's go to the actual YouTube video itself. I would like to see you link back from your YouTube video to your actual site. Like this is wasted real estate right here. Like if you've had this video since 2024, you could have had a description on here that would have linked this video on this page to your specific site where you would like to embed the video. That's giving yourself a free backlink that costs you nothing. And you could have had that backlink supercharging your homepage for the longest time. Nevertheless, your current video functions as an internal link, or well, an external link to YouTube. It's on your page giving you some authority. I still think there's more you can do to really solidify your authority here, but let's pretend for now that that's where you're going to need to start to really make an impact on your SEO and do a little bit better. I like this. The fact that you have a little kind of table of contents is nice. These need to be expandable. They should not just go into different pages because we want some level of crawl depth, remember? Yeah, I think that's kind of like baseline. The differences are right there, right? You can see that the title is off. You don't even have a meta description. That's horrible. In no world should your website be missing meta descriptions on any of its pages if you want to seriously compete on Google's search engine result pages. That is the God honest truth. You cannot rank without meta descriptions. To some degree, you're going to want them on there. And if you're missing that, that's a huge ranking factor that you're missing on. So just fixing that alone could do a lot for this specific site and the on page of this site. I hope you enjoyed this comparison between what a website on the first page of Google versus a website on the 10th page of Google looks like, and how you can bridge that gap. But the principles remain the same. Take a look at what the person on rank 1 is doing right now and emulate it. Chances are you're probably missing a bunch of on-page strategies on there. Chances are you're missing some off-page strategies on there. But really, these audits are not just for the individuals that we randomly pick during these audits. These audits are really for you, the audience. Because ultimately, if you are watching these videos, you are looking to try and rank your law firm, your website, your business, and by understanding how the competitors that we go over are ranking number 1, it brings you that much closer to being able to rank your own website and generate real traffic that generates real cases that brings in real revenue for your firm. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. We genuinely hope you enjoy this video, and let us know if there's anything we can add to future videos, or if there's any specific audits you'd like us to run for businesses in your area. And until then, happy optimizing.